Hi, I'm Susan. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm participating in week 6 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. I'll have her channel listed in my description box down below. Check it out and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP6 to see what everyone has made. There's a lot of talented people doing this challenge. Now our prompts for today is something made from plastic. I'm going to use this card of buttons. An advertisement, I'm going to use these. It's digitals, but it's ads. Something from space. I've got this little bitty earth and sky. And textured paper. I've got some assorted textured paper. I've got the doily. This is like a rag type scrapbooking paper, and then I have an embossed black paper. I'm not sure what I'll use. A name in your family, and I'm going with Robert. That was my daddy's name, and it's my youngest son's middle name. So I just got the sticker from my antiquarian sticker book. I had these stickers and I just wrote out the rest of Robert. And then bonus is instructions, and I've got this installation for a faucet. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. well, here's my finished collage for week number 6. So we've got something plastic. I've got the buttons, an advertisement. I've got this advertisement journaling card, something from space, textured paper, a name in your family. I've got Robert, and bonus is instructions. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP6. So y'all have a great week, and until next time, bye y'all.